Have you ever pondered the current state of organic farming? How do we ensure its sustainability in the face of growing challenges like climate change, pests, and crop diseases? Could there be a modern solution to these age-old problems? The answer may surprise you. It's not found in the soil or the seeds, but rather in the realm of technology. More specifically, artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence isn't just about robots and self-driving cars. It's a tool that can revolutionize industries, including agriculture. Organic farming, with its emphasis on sustainability and natural practices, can greatly benefit from the power of AI. Consider this: AI can help farmers predict weather patterns more accurately, helping them plan their planting and harvesting schedules down to the minute. This not only optimizes production, but also reduces the risk of crop failure due to unexpected weather events. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also help organic farmers tackle pests and diseases. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze data from various sources, like satellite images and local weather reports, to predict pest outbreaks and disease spread. This allows farmers to take preventative measures, such as adjusting their crop rotation or using natural pest deterrents before the problem escalates. Moreover, AI can assist in efficient water management. Through predictive analytics, AI can forecast rainfall and soil moisture levels, helping farmers irrigate their fields accurately. This not only conserves water, but also ensures that crops receive the right amount of hydration, promoting healthier growth. AI can even help with soil health. By analyzing data from soil sensors, AI can recommend specific organic fertilizers or compost mixtures to improve soil fertility. This is crucial for organic farming, where chemical fertilizers are not an option. Now, let's summarize the key points discussed in this video. Firstly, AI can help predict weather patterns, aiding farmers in planning their planting and harvesting schedules more accurately. Secondly, AI can forecast pest outbreaks and disease spread, enabling farmers to take preventative measures early on. Thirdly, AI can assist in efficient water management, predicting rainfall and soil moisture levels to optimize irrigation. Lastly, AI can recommend specific organic fertilizers or compost mixtures to improve soil health based on data from soil sensors. In the face of growing challenges, organic farming needs modern solutions, and AI might just be the key to unlocking a sustainable, productive, and resilient future for organic farming. So the next time you think of artificial intelligence, remember, it's not just about robots and self-driving cars. It's about helping us grow our food in a way that's good for us and for the planet.